I am UK Singh, PGT Pol Science from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Darbhanga. Dear students, I would like to tell you about the subsection of Social Science, Economics, Chapter 1, the story of the village Palampur. Dear students, the main aim of this story is to introduce you some basic concepts of production. Palampur is an imaginary village of Uttar Pradesh. Farming is the main occupation of the village Palampur. This village has some other activities like a small scale manufacturing, dairy, transport, etc., but they are in limited scale. It means in very small scale, such activities are performed. Production activities need various types of resources. Production activities need various types of resources as natural resources, man-made items, human efforts, and money, etc. Through this story, we will learn how various resources are combined to produce desired goods and services. Now, I would like to introduce about the village Palampur. Palampur village is a part of western Uttar Pradesh, which is an imaginary village. It is well connected with neighboring villages and towns by all weather roads. Raiganj is a big neighboring village and Shahpur is a nearby small towns. On these roads, block carts, tangas, bogies are visible loaded with jaggery or gur and other commodities, as well as motor vehicles are also visible on the roads. About 450 families reside in this village. They belong to different class and castes. There are 80 upper caste families who own the major proportion of land in the village. As you see in your village also, that very few upper caste families own most of the land in our localities. Their houses are made of bricks and cement and plastered. SCs are 1/3 of the population and live in one corner of the village. They have much smaller houses made of mud and straw. Most of the houses are electrified in the village. Electricity helps running tubewells to irrigate fields and various types of businesses to perform. It has 2 primary schools and 1 high school, 1 primary health center run by the government. Besides of these, a private dispensary where sick people are treated. It is the introduction of Palampur village. Tomorrow we will talk about the organization of production. How these resources like natural resources like land, water and other resources, labor, capital, ET and human resources are combined to produce desired goods and services. Okay.